If I could go back before I started selling insurance, before I sold over $500,000 of life insurance premium over the phone, before I made tons of mistakes, if I could go back 18 months ago when I got into the life insurance industry, here's what I wish I would have been told. I wish somebody would have pulled me aside. I wish somebody would have called me, texted me. I wish I watched a YouTube video explaining these 4 things that I wish I knew before I started selling insurance. And if we've not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan. And in this video, I'm not holding anything back. I'm going to share with you exactly the things that I wish somebody would have told me before I stepped into the insurance industry. Now, the first one, and this may surprise you a little bit, it's that you can actually sell life insurance over the phone. And before this, I got into the industry a year and a half ago where people were selling insurance still virtually, but they were selling over phone, or they were telling me to go in person, and they were saying, hey, stay away from the phone. Don't sell over the phone. It's not possible. You're not going to have a lot of trust. I wish somebody would have told me, hey, if you learn this one skill, if you learn the hardest skill about selling insurance, which is selling over the phone, if you learn this, the hardest thing, you'll be able to unlock the life that you truly want to live, the life that you actually want to live if you learned the skill of selling over the phone. And because of that, it's allowed me to be able to move from Arizona and sell everything, leave literally everything in Arizona and move to Charlotte, where my wife and I are traveling all across the world, where we were just in Mexico last week. Now we're in Charlotte, traveling all across wherever we want to go. And you can have that too if you unlock the skill selling over the phone and talking to people over the phone. And it's not like selling in person, because you have the body language, you have the ability to sit in front of somebody and gain trust just because they're there and they can actually see you. But being able to unlock the skill of asking questions, and yeah, there's pros and cons to it. Yeah, the pros are being able to sell life insurance from wherever you are in the world, being able to sell insurance on vacation, take vacations, and actually make more money. And you came into the vacation with being able to work from wherever and whenever and however you want, being able to unlock true location and time freedom, being able to work in any time zone that you wish. You just learn that one skill. I wish somebody would have told me that. There's things that you have to factor into selling life insurance over the phone, which is getting an abundance of leads, getting tons of leads that you physically don't have enough time to talk to, like me getting 30 to 50 fresh, new and exclusive leads daily, where I can't even call all the leads that are being generated from me because I have a campaign going overnight where people are booking on the calendar, texting me, actually calling me, like today where somebody was calling, hey, I want to be able to protect my 4 daughters. You can have that too. It's not working direct mail. It's not working super expensive leads. It's actually generating your own leads. And that actually leads me to my second point, is that I wish somebody would have told me that you could generate your own leads. And what I mean by this is I was told for a long time to stay away from generating your own leads. I was told to stay away from working digital leads. And really, I wish somebody would have told me that you should start working digital leads more. I was told direct mail is king, but that was the past. A new way to sell insurance is being able to work digital leads, having leads generated in real time, being able to call them, use AI to be able to book appointments on your calendar, using all the things that are new to be able to sell more insurance and actually unlock more time where I can spend time with my wife, unlock more time to be able to do the things that I really enjoy doing, like playing basketball with friends, doing things like this, making videos like this, unlocking that so I don't have to be selling all day where I have to be driving 2, 3, 4 hours away. I remember my first in-home appointment, I drove 2.5 hours away from my house into a completely another city so I can sell these 2 families a policy, which is awesome. But I ended up staying 6 hours in this family's home when there was kids all running all around, where smelled. When you unlock this skill of selling over the phone and being able to work digital leads where people are filling out things real time, where you call them and actually know what you're calling about, being able to talk with them and enroll them in a policy and be able to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day from the comfort of your home or on the beach, wherever you want to be, you can unlock that from selling over the phone and working digital leads, right? So I wish somebody would have told me that you can sell over the phone and work digital leads and be able to generate your own, where you're getting them at a fraction of a cost, a 10th, even a 25th of the cost of these lead vendors that are selling these leads at $5, $10, $20 extra on top of what they generate them for. Or even getting the free vacation leads where you're calling and they're like, oh, I thought this was free, because they're advertising a free vacation. So that's why. And so I wish somebody would have told me that you can control your flow. You can control the flow of leads that come in. You can control how many people you actually speak to per day by generating your own leads and actually having complete control over your source. Because here's the question that I want to ask you. Are you truly a business owner if you have a piece of your business that you're sourcing out? Because then that leaves the question, who actually controls your business? Is it the lead vendor because you can't make sales without those leads? Or is it actually you? So if you want to really be profitable and scale to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month in profit, you have to learn how to generate your leads and really bring that in-house, or at least work a digital lead that you're not getting way overcharged like 99% of these lead vendors are, so that you can actually make more money and feed your family like I know you got into this industry to do, and be able to live the life that you truly want to live, go on those vacations that you want to live, instead of paying it to a lead vendor for his vacation, or paying it to somebody else for their vacations that you work so hard to do. Now, the third thing that I want to share with you, and before I get into that, click the link down below to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content just like this, as well as you'll find a little link there, a magic link to be able to book onto my calendar to see if you're a fit to scale your insurance business past $20,000 to $40,000 per month in straight commissions, just like how I have, and see if you're a fit for working directly one-on-one with me. Now, the third thing that I want to share with you is I wish somebody would have told me that the best investment that you can make in 2023, the best investment that you could ever make that's tax-free, that you can literally write off on your taxes, that literally will help you make so much more money, is investing in yourself. I wish somebody would have told me that the best investment that you could make, the best investment that $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 would be, is in yourself. Because I wish I would have known that, because I would have been able to scale my income so much more, having a mentor, having a coach, having the accountability, paying so I can pay more attention, close attention. Because here's the problem isn't the information on the internet. There's information for everything on the internet, but it's actually sorting through the information that's good and actually having the accountability to be able to get to your goals where you want to be. Because the reality is there's all the information on the world to be making $20,000, $30,000 per month, but the question I want to ask you, why aren't you doing it yet? If you really want to make serious money, if you really want to scale past that $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month mark, you have to obsess with investing in yourself. You have to invest in yourself, because that'll unlock more and more levels to make more money, and ultimately unlock more time to be able to spend on things that I love. And the fourth thing that I want to share with you, that I wish somebody would have shared with, I wish somebody would have pulled me aside at a conference I was at. I wish somebody would have texted me, called me, emailed me, made a video about this, that you don't have to sacrifice the things that you love. You don't have to sacrifice the true things that you really love in life, your friends, your family. You don't have to sacrifice playing basketball on Tuesday nights or getting in a Bible study on Thursday nights. You don't have to sacrifice all that to be able to make more money. Because what I ended up doing was I left a job that everybody in the entrepreneurship world was saying, oh yeah, you got out of a job, you're out of the just over broke. But then I stepped into this rat race that was filled with competition, that was just trying to one up each other to make more money, just so that they could flex harder, so that they could talk more and get more agents that think that that's cool. And I ended up falling into another rat race that I thought I fully escaped, but the reality is I didn't actually escape. I actually stepped out of this rat race to move into another one. I don't want you to listen to that. I want you to be able to do the things that you actually want to do, to be able to live the life that you truly want to live, to be able to work 20 to 30 hours a week, making $30,000 to $50,000 per month, so you can actually do the things that you love and enjoy. But you can actually build something sustainably that's going to last for years and years and years. I wish somebody would have told me that, hey, Johnny, if you build a business that you love, a sustainable business that is not going to just be here one day and gone the next, but is going to be here over time, that you're going to be able to attract clients that you actually love working with, if you're going to be able to work in a business that you actually love. I wish somebody would have told me that, because it would have saved me time, relationships. It would have saved me from a lot. I was talking to one of my mentors, and he actually works for a guy who owns one of the biggest health insurance companies in the world. And if I shared it with you guys would know exactly who this is. The guy has 2 private jets. He has a private island. He has mansions. For the sake of the example, I'm going to call him Daniel. The thing that I've learned, and he's like 60 or 70 now, a thing that I regret after making billions of dollars, their company is literally traded publicly now. He said, Daniel, I wish I would have not worked on this business so much, because all that's left me with was 4 different wives that have been all divorced from. The kids are just all split. There's so much chaos. Everybody just wants me for my money. I wish I would have spent more time with my family. And that's what I want to ask you. Are you sacrificing everything that you want for things that you think you want? Are you doing that? Are you actually building a business that you love, that is going to grow continuously, that you help clients that you actually want to help, that you're doing the right thing, that you're being ethical and having the utmost integrity with? Are you doing that? Are you optimizing for what you want? For me, I want to make $30,000 to $50,000 per month in profit and work 15 to 20 hours a week so I can actually do the things that I want to. These are the things that I wish somebody would have told me, that you can sell over the phone, that you can generate your own leads, that you can work digital leads, that you can actually, that if you invest in yourself, you're going to be propelled to higher heights that you ever think that you would. And also, all while doing, you don't have to sacrifice your friends, your family, your hobbies, and the things that you love to get to this place of freedom. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as click the link down below if you're ready to invest in yourself. If you want to work with me one-on-one directly to help scale your business to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 per month in straight commissions without having to sacrifice your friends, your family, and that you can really build the skill of selling so you can really live the life that you want. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.